Where is Shona mostly spoken? Shona is mostly spoken in Zimbabwe, where about 75% of the population speak Shona as a first language. There are also Shona-speaking communities in Botswana, Zambia, and Mozambique. In 2021, Kenya acknowledged the Shona tribe as being the 44th tribe in the country. There are currently about 3,500 Shona people living in Kenya. Across the diaspora, you can find Shona-speaking people. You can find the Shona people in South Africa, the UK, the USA, Canada, Australia, France, New Zealand, Ireland, Germany, Portugal, Namibia, Singapore, Hong Kong, Brazil, the UAE, as well as China. The Shona-speaking people really are everywhere. Want to find out more about the Shona as well as learn how to speak Shona? Then check out Sarura Kids on YouTube Kids today.